If you're living abroad or commuting in a city like this, your backpack matters more than you think. This is my Tolaccea T11, and I've been testing it as my everyday carry.
Got these plans stuck in my head. Southeast Asia calling me instead. Bangkok nights and Bali shores. Sick of dreaming, want something more. Pack your bags.
This is a 30-liter backpack, so it's right in that sweet spot. Daily use, work setup, even short trips. But what stands out is actually how it's designed to stay organized. One thing I like is it has a layered laptop compartment. So your device is actually protected, not just sitting in the bag. This is where it really stands out, the main compartment. It's designed to be more panoramic. So when you open it, you actually see everything. Instead of digging around like most backpacks, everything is laid out clean. Let me show you what I actually carry in this. I usually have my laptop, a charger, a power bank, a few cables, and then some smaller stuff, sometimes like my passport, wallet, and accessories. What I like is everything has a place, so I'm not just throwing things into one big space. I think this bag makes the most sense if you're traveling, commuting, or just need something organized for daily use. It's not one of those huge travel backpacks. It's more of a clean, everyday setup that still holds a lot. You've also got YKK waterproof zippers, which are known for being durable. And that's something you want if you're using this every day. And one thing I thought was interesting, it even has a hidden AirTag pocket, which is actually smart if you're traveling. And you've got quick access pockets so you're not constantly opening the whole bag. It's also made with water repellent material, so you're covered for light rain or everyday use. And for me, this works as a daily carry, whether I'm out working around the city or just keeping everything organized. For me, this works very well as a daily bag, whether I'm working, moving around the city, or just trying to stay organized. I'll leave a link in the description and also the pinned comment with the discount code if you want to check it out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.
I'm tired of waiting here. Same four walls, same fading year. Got these plans stuck in my head. Southeast Asia calling me instead. Bangkok nights and Bali shores. Sick of dreaming, want something more. Pack your bags, don't hesitate. Geo, let's go before it's too late. Time keeps slipping away.